In this video, I am going to talk about rule of multiplication. If there are m ways of happening an event A, there are n ways of happening an event B. Then there are m times n ways of both events happening at the same time. This rule can be generalized to more than two events as well. So to look at the number of ways of both happening, we look at these branches A1, B1, A1, B2, and so on. So we have this many ways of both A and B happening. So those are A1, B1, A1, B2, A1, B5, and so on. So now let's look at this example here. A quiz has two multiple choice problems. The first problem has 5 choices and the second problem has 8 choices. How many total possible ways are there to answer the quiz? So from the question, we know first problem has 5 choices. So those choices can be A, B, C, D, and E. And the second problem has 8 choices. And the choices can be F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. So on here we can have tons of possible answers. So one can be B, F, and another can be A, K, and so on. So here, how many such combinations of answer we can have from problem 1 and 2? So basically, we can use multiplication counting rule. So therefore, the total number is 8 times 5. So we know 8 times 5 is 40. So we have 40 possible ways to answer the quiz. So let's look at another example. Here we are trying to find 4-digit passcodes. So here for the first place we can have 10 of them because digits are from 0 to 9. So I will put 10 here on the first place. So again for the second place we have 10 of them. So similarly, for the third place also, we can have 10 of them. For the fourth place also, we can have 10 of them. Now, for us to answer this question, we need to multiply these numbers. 10 times 10 times 10. So, which gives us 10,000. So therefore, we can create 10,000 4-digit passcodes. Now, let's look at another example. So how many 4-digit passcodes can we create if the first digit cannot be 0? So here we are supposed to find 4-digit passcode. But the first digit cannot be 0. So on here, for the first one, so for the first place, we can have 9 of them since we can have digits only from 1 through 9. So I'll just put 9 over here. Now let's look at the second one. So for the second place, for this one, for second place, we can have 10 of them since we can have all possible digits. Similarly, for the third one, we can have 10 of them since we can have all possible digits. So same thing for the fourth one, we can have 10 of them since we can have all possible digits. So for us to find 4-digit passcodes with the first digit not being 0 is 9 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 9,000. So here we can have 9,000 passcodes. So let's look at another example. So here, how many 4-digit passcodes can we create if the first digit cannot be 0 and the last digit has to be an even number? So here, first let me put down 4 spots, 4 blank spots. So it is asking us to find the passcodes with first digit not being 0 and the last digit being an even number. On here, on the first place, we can have 9 of them since we can have digits only from 1 to 9. So I'll just put 9 here. For the second place, we can have 10 of them since we can have all possible digits. So I'll just put 10 here. And similarly, for the third place, we can have 10 of them because we can have all possible digits. But when it comes to the fourth one, we can have only 6 of them because there are only 6 even numbers between 0 to 9. So now for us to find 4-digit passcodes, we can multiply these numbers. So that means 9 times 10 times 10 times 6, which gives us 5,400. So therefore, we can have 5,400 passcodes. So let's look at another example. So here, a password can contain lowercase letters or digits. How many 8-character passwords are possible? So let me draw 8 spots because we are trying to create 8-character passwords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since we know there are 26 letters and 10 digits, so for the first place, we have 36 options. So that is, let me just put 36 here. So this is 26 plus 10. So there are 26 letters and 10 digits. So that's how we get 36 here. So for the second place, also we have 36 options. Similarly, for the third place, we have 36 options and 36 for the rest of them also. So 36 and 36. So now for us to find 8-character password with letters or digits, all we need to do is find the product of these numbers. So that would be 36 to the power 8. So this will be a really huge number. So we can just leave it like this. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.